Hello and welcome to your Home Depot workshop. I'm Mike.
And I'm Ron, and today we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about how to clean and maintain your floors. Here's what we'll be covering and going through today. Different cleaning methods and cleaning solutions, things you should avoid doing to your floors, and ways to remove stains and scuffs.
Now, obviously, floors take a lot of wear and tear. They deal with daily foot traffic, pets, spills, and furniture. Proper care not only keeps them looking good, but it can also extend their lifespan and can help maintain your flooring warranty.
That's right, Mike. And the great news is floor care doesn't have to be too difficult. With the right habits and products, you can keep any floor looking its best.
Always follow the product instructions, and when moving furniture to clean underneath, use a partner to move the furniture or sliders to avoid both injury and damage to your floors.
Yes, and by the end of this workshop, you'll know the best ways to clean, protect, and maintain your floors so they stay beautiful for years to come. So let's get started.
Hybrid resilient flooring, sometimes called HRF. This is a composite engineered flooring that combines the best features of laminate, vinyl, and even hardwood looks. It's waterproof, extremely scratch and dent resistant, and very durable. Perfect for busy households with kids and pets.
That's crazy. They're inventing all kinds of new things nowadays. Now, I want you to think of it as the evolution of flooring with HRF. You kind of get the water-resistant qualities of vinyl, the realistic look and feel of hardwood, and the structural stability of laminate.
It's built in layers, a tough wear layer on top that resists scratches and stains, a decorative film that looks like wood or stone, a rigid core in the middle, and a backing layer that helps with sound and cushioning.
And depending on the product, the core can be, say, SPC, which is stone plastic composite, which is dense and extremely rigid, or WPC, which is a wood plastic composite, which is softer and more comfortable underfoot. Now, most are going to come with a built-in underlayment as well, so installation is pretty straightforward. Let's take an opportunity to show you just how durable this flooring really is. Here we've got a small section of hybrid resilient flooring on the table.
You can see the underlayment here on the underside, a soft rubbery kind of soft pad that's on there. Now, to test the wear layer, we'll use a simple screw. This is not something you'd ever want to do at your home, but it does show you how the UV cured polyurethane top layer holds up to scratches.
See that? It doesn't even show a mark. That's the benefit of that wear layer. Protection against everyday scrapes from, say, pets, chairs, or even heavy traffic.
So to recap, laminate can scratch if you drag furniture across it. Hardwood can get dings and need refinishing, and vinyl can scuff. Hybrid resilient flooring is built to take all that daily abuse.
Exactly. Now let's talk about cleaning and maintenance. Use a vacuum or a microfiber broom to remove dust and debris. Make sure if you're using a vacuum, however, you use the vacuum on the right setting so you're not using that beater bar.
And when it's time to mop, just use a slightly damp mop with a vinyl or hybrid safe cleaner, or make a DIY mix, 1 cup of vinegar to a gallon of water. The key is to not saturate the floor. Excess water can seep into the seams over time.
And once again, if you spill something, wipe it up immediately. This floor is waterproof, but you don't want to leave liquid sitting on any surface way too long.
For scratches, many brands offer touch-up pens that match the flooring colors. If you ever get a deep gouge, one of the benefits of this floor is that you can replace a single plank without ripping out the whole floor. That's also true for laminate, vinyl, and hardwood. The process just varies a little bit between the three.
And just like hardwood and laminate, prevention is the key. Use those felt pads under furniture, take off heels or cleats at the door, and use mats in high traffic areas.
So you may be wondering, how does hybrid resilient flooring compare to other floor types?
Yeah, that's a good question for sure. So compared to laminate, hybrid is completely waterproof. Laminate is not. Compared to vinyl, hybrid is thicker, more stable, and more resilient underfoot. And compared to hardwood, you don't have to worry about refinishing or warping.
Basically, you get the look of natural materials with the ease of low maintenance. That's why hybrid is a great option for kitchens, bathrooms, basements, or really any high traffic area in your home.
And you know what else is cool? With today's printing technology and embossed textures, some hybrid floors look so real, you literally have to get down on your hands and knees to tell the difference from true hardwood or tile.
Right, and you know, it's not just the look of wood, it's also the feel, because like you said, some of them are kind of embossed and have a texture, so they look and feel like real wood, which is an advantage. So to sum it up, hybrid resilient flooring is tough, waterproof, and easy to maintain. A solid all-around option if you want a floor that can handle just about anything life throws at it.
And who doesn't want that, my friend? That's right.
So with that, we'll wrap up today's workshop.
Would you say that we've covered it?
I think I was floored
Yes,
by the
absolutely
content that we
floored.
shared today.
Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, to learn more or watch additional how-to videos, visit homedepot.com/workshops. And if you have any questions about this or any do-it-yourself project, you can always email us anytime at workshopslive@homedepot.com.
So on behalf of myself, Ron, and the entire How To Workshops team, thanks for joining us today for this workshop, and of course, thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.